Welcome. In front of me is a BQ Aquaris V, and I will show you how to enter Fastboot mode. So to get started, you will hold the power button to power off the device. And then tap on power off, and OK. And wait for the device to turn off. Okay. Now that it's off, you will hold. There's actually two ways. We're gonna go. You can either hold power button and volume down, and it will immediately go there, or you can go through recovery mode, which I'm gonna show the longer way. Power and volume up. Now if you went with power and volume down, it will just immediately go to Fastboot mode, but here you can actually choose a couple other options, but you can see you can reboot, wipe factory data, update, but yeah, I'm gonna do reboot into bootloader, which is what we want, and as you can see, it's Fastboot mode. So that's how you access it. And if you would like to leave this mode, you will just hold power button till the phone shuts off. Okay, and now it's gonna automatically turn back on, but this time it's just gonna turn on normally. So yeah, so this is how you access Fastboot mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.